The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter.
Sabi ng sulat ni Pai para kay Christy. Dear Christy,
The letter.
it's been a week that we are apart. And I know that you're still hurting and I can't be there to apologize. I am hoping that when Papa Jack reads this letter, you are there listening. Christy, this is the only way na pakinggan mo ako na hindi mo ginagawa na mag-away tayo o maghiwalay tayo. Huwag mo sanang patayin ng radyo and please keep an open mind. Hein, I want you to know that I'm so sorry. If this would be the last time you will listen something from me, then I would take the liberty to tell you how much I loved you back then. Please do not doubt that. It's just that I am now in a confusion of emotion and I'm sorry for breaking your heart. I should have taken care of your heart. Everything has a reason and so am I. I want to have my own family at alam natin pareho na hindi mo maibibigay sa akin yon. Hindi ko kayang kontrolin ang isip at puso ko ang kagustuhan kong magkapamilya. Masakit din talaga na i-let go yung taong naging parte ng buhay mo na hindi mo inakala. I thought kaya ko nang saktan ka, pero ngayon masasabi ko na tama ang kantang There's No Easy Way to Break Somebody's Heart. Alam kong hindi ka maniniwala sa akin at naiintindihan ko naman lahat ng masasakit na salitang nabitawan mo sa akin. Well, Christy, totoo ang lahat ng iyon. You know what? You are my wake-up call. I promised myself that I will never love again until sa araw na ready na ako to fight for that person. Thank you for the love that you gave me and I really felt that. I am not and I will not be able to thank you enough for all the efforts and sacrifices. I will miss our funny and precious moments. Totoo lahat ng iyon, Christy. Si Shadow na aso natin, namimiss ka na. I'd like to tell you now, goodbye, Christy. I hope that you will find the right person that will never hurt you, just like I did. In God's time, we will both heal. Mag-ingat ka, Christy. Coming from Pai.
I can feel you.
It's a very sad letter. Natuwa naman ako na may mga tao pa pala. I'm sorry mga kaibigan kung natuwa ako. The letter is very sad. It's to some degree it's tragic sa taong naiwan. And it's not easy sa taong nang iwan din naman. But nakakatuwang isipin na may mga tao na maliban sa puso pinapairal lang logic before they commit yung kanilang mga sarili, di ba, ng isang panghabang buhay na pagsasama. And you know what, Pai, I'm really proud of you for taking that step and at least imagining what a future would look like to you. At least may idea ka. To Christy naman na iniwan ni Pai, tama nga naman mga kaibigan si Pai. Someday, you're going to meet that person who will not hurt you. How long and when? I don't know. Ang importante, you have to believe that the road getting to that person will not be easy. It will be very, very complicated. But, the reward is very wonderful pag dumating yung time na namit mo na yung taong nakalaan para sa'yo. Oftentimes, mga kaibigan, we tend, or I myself, tend to sugarcoat things ng sobrang ganda na para bang ang dali mag-move on. Well, mahirap, mga kaibigan. Pero mukhang totohanan, kahit gano'ng kahirap yan, walang magtuturo sa inyo yan. It's a DIY thing. It's a do-it-yourself thing. Sa lahat po ng mga nilalang mga kaibigan na nasa proseso ng pag-move on ngayon, good luck! And God bless your heart. I hope you find someone who can heal that properly. Mga kaibigan, I'm playing a song coming from Richard Carpenter. Ang awiting Calling Your Name Again. Minsan, kahit na nakapag-let go ka na daw, yung mga gabing magigising ka, and the first thought you will have is him or her supposed to be by your side. And when you reach beside you, that person is no longer there. For what it's worth, it might hurt you a bit, but I want you to enjoy the music. 30 minutes after 10 o'clock on a Thursday evening, 2nd of October, 2014. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Papa Jack, 832-6171, 1-800-10-100-5683, and here we go.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter.
Sabi na sulat ni Sarah for Alex. Dear Alex.
The letter.
Dear Alex, it's been a long time since I last expressed my feelings for you. Siguro kaya nabasa ni Papa Jack ito dahil time na para malaman mo how I'm feeling at this moment. Naalala ko pa 2 years ago when I fell for you. Unexpected pero it still did happen. Noong una, akala ko yung pag-asa because you made me feel so special. You make everyone feel special. Kaya siguro na misinterpret kita. Pero dumating yung point na sinabi mo sa akin na mahal din kita pero hindi tayo pwede. Dahil hindi kita kayang i-rebound sa best friend ko. Kaya kahit na gano'n yung sinabi mo, hindi pa rin ako tumigil sa pagmamahal sa iyo hanggang maramdaman kong pagod na ako. So I tried to move on. Ilang buwan ko na ding nakumbinsa yung sarili ko na hindi na kita mahal. Pero nung time na magkasama tayo at naging sweet, naging close na tayo ulit, na-realize kong I'm not over you yet. Ilang buwan ko ding naramdaman yun. Ikaw at ikaw pa din ang mahal ko pala. All throughout, ikaw pa din ang hinahanap ko. Siguro nga, ikaw ang the one that got away ko. Dahil hanggang ngayon, alam kong wala pa ding pag-asang maging tayo. So, Alex, just let me know and just let me love you from afar. Again, I would not get in your way. I promise, mahal na mahal pa din kita eh. Alex, coming from Sarah.
I can feel you.
Ay, putrag na buhay. Ganda ng line eh. Sabi ng line, di ba? I would just love you from afar. Ay. Ang peg ay Bette Midler, di ba? From a distance. Tawagan niyo ako over 832-6171. It's a painful letter, but it is a letter from the heart. So, to you, Sarah, and to you, Alex, may you find that person who can make you feel that you are loved, and in return, you can reciprocate. That may be exactly the love that's being given to you, but at least with justice. Mga kaibigan, coming from the company, tatagalog na song muna ako, ha? Ang awiting pakisabi mo. Magandang alas 12:04 ng umaga. Good morning, Metro and Mega Manila. Good morning, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. October 3rd, Friday na ng umaga, mga kaibigan. 2014, I am Papa Jack.